Hi everyone! This is Matt, travel premier of WCE Travel. Kumusta po ang lahat? I hope everyone is safe and well right now. Meron ka bang travel ngayon or you have essential travel, meaning travel ka because of medical, business, or work purposes, or maybe an LSI or locally stranded individual. So meron akong i-share sa inyo. Here in our company, WCE Travel, pwede kang makapag-save from your own travel. Gusto mo ba yon? If yes, message mo ako sa aking Facebook account. But, meron akong mas magandang idea sa'yo. Ibig sabihin, nakapag-save ka na from your own travel, at the same time, pwede kang kumita or mag-earn. Sounds great? Yes. If yes ang sagot mo, this is the perfect time to become an anywhere-based independent travel agent. Why? Because we have this wonderful opportunity that we are sharing globally. Ibig sabihin, yung business namin, doable, manageable, and madali siyang i-operate, hindi siya mahirap gawin. As long as meron kang cellphone, merong data, pwede mong gawin, simulan yung negosyo. And also, this is lifetime. Ibig sabihin, long-term yung business mo, lifetime mag-generate ng income, yung negosyo mo, lifetime masusustain yung financial needs mo. And the business is also fit to all walks of life, meaning, hindi namin hinahanapan ng degree yung mga affiliate dito, as long as gusto nilang simulan at gusto nilang kumita from this business. So now, learn how to travel and tour business works at the comfort of your home. If interesado ka, just feel free to message me and I'll be glad to assist you and be your mentor to start this WCA Travel and Tour business. So message mo lang ako and see you soon.